For a reliable furnace tune-up in Las Vegas, Nevada, choose Honest HVAC. Our skilled technicians specialize in comprehensive inspections and tune-up services to ensure your furnace operates at peak efficiency and reliability during the colder months. From cleaning and inspecting components to checking for any potential issues, we take proactive measures to optimize your furnace's performance. With transparent communication and upfront pricing, we strive to deliver exceptional service that exceeds your expectations. Trust Honest HVAC for expert furnace tune-up services in Las Vegas, Nevada, where honesty and professionalism are guaranteed. Keep your furnace running smoothly. Schedule your tune-up today. Contact us today at Honest HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for furnace tune-up near me? You can stop looking. You found Honest HVAC, who offers professional furnace tune-up services in Las Vegas, Nevada. Honest HVAC provides professional furnace tune-up services in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is involved in a furnace tune-up in Las Vegas, Nevada? A furnace tune-up typically includes cleaning or replacing filters, inspecting and lubricating moving parts, checking electrical connections, testing safety controls, and ensuring overall system efficiency in Las Vegas, Nevada. What is your furnace tune-up Las Vegas, Nevada? Our local furnace tune-up have served clients in the surrounding areas of Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Winchester, Downtown South, Summerlin, Henderson, Reno, North Las Vegas, Paradise, Sunrise Manor, Enterprise, Sparks, Carson City, Whitney, Pahrump, Sun Valley, Charleston, Green Valley North, Nevada. Where is your Honest HVAC office located? We are located at A100,9205 West Russell Road Building 3, Suite 130, Las Vegas, Nevada 89148, United States. Our phone number is 725-444-7247. Visit our website, https://honestthecompany.com/west-russell-spring-folly-installation-repair.